9 games to go. 2 points yaba separator. 1 goal difference yaba separator. Both teams are taking but strong. And you question kumele sizibuze yona important. Uyayithola. Yes, team yakhiwe, it's brilliant, it plays well, but can they win the marathon? Do they have the character? Lento bengisho, the mindset to push it till the last day. Ayisafuni football on the field. Ifuna big hearts. Ifuna mindset. Ifuna character. Sometimes we win ugly. Let's win ugly if we need to win ugly. Yeah, you are in a chase now. It's not good maybe Saturday 20 games. No. It's 9 games to go. We play each game at a time. And each game we play it at the last game. Let's not wait for Swelele, Utikore, and then we wait for supporters to push us, and then we start playing.
Whichever language you speak, Ndimasiari, Ndimatekwana, Apsheni, Dumelang, Sanbonani, Goeie More, Goeie Nand, good afternoon, good morning. It's a whole lot, but it is time. Either way, HPNS, my name is Gerald Mutabi. You guys said you like him, you said he has energy, you said he's honest, you said he's raw, you said he's direct. And I decided, what would the run into glory of the Premiership be without this man? So I decided to call him back. Donatoni.
Joman.
Mfowethu.
Ayakhala nje. Sibizela ukuzodecide league la. Siyakhala.
Asivele si decide because ngeke sidodge indaba yakhona. So before siya ku last week, iPirates idlala neTS Galaxy next.
Yeah.
iSundowns iwinile igame yayo yokugcina against iMarumo Gallants. And ikore amagoli i3 for that matter. Ithini into yakho?
Yeah, before we dissect uyazi football igame yama opinions. Obvious khona bazosihlaba ngale nto esizoyisho.
Kakhulu futhi.
Uyayithola le nto le. Khona bazolandelela till last day babone ukuthi ayivele lento besiyikhuluma iyenzakala. But ke kunzima, it's very tough. 1 goal difference yaba separator. Both teams are taking but strong. But banamala ama vulnerabilities good defense ukuthi mawungaba ne moment kahle wa defender kahle ungayiwin igame against bona, you might as well win. Iyenzakele ngeMarumo Gallants. Just ukuthi uMdlondlo didn't score that ball bekuyi 2-2 and the base was drag on. Same thing Pirates happened weekend. Ngeswelele 1-0 bakava sekulate. Uyayithola le nto le. So ikhona leyo nto ukuthi bayadleka but ke kumele ube careful modlala nabo because iattack ba strong. Mawukorile kuba ngathi usukela ibhube sesigangeni elizokulanda elizokulanda the whole match. Uyabona? So it's a bit tough to call it manje, but it's interesting matches coming. Right. Obviously, sometimes Africa this weekend. So they won't be tested kangako because already they won the match by any management. The real test is Pirates against TS Galaxy away. How will Pirates respond after draw? Ubonile ama-play after game. Wonke umuntu fell into the ground like they felt like it's going away. Very mawudlala against the Sundowns that is competent. You feel like it's going away. Do they have the character? Do they have the mindset? To come back after lapha. Question esemqondweni wonke umuntu. I think coach nama-player, that's the question. Abazibuza yona ukuthi outcome izoba njani masiya away ku-TS Galaxy. Are we going to lose it even further? Or are we still going to keep pressure? No, we are there in the race. Challenge.
I'm just glad for a change. You are not asking me, do they have the character? Do they have the mindset? You are actually asking maybe the players themselves, because I know for a fact some of these football players watch Amasho afana nalawe too, because they believe sometimes there's a lot of sense. There's probably advice that they get off shows like HPNS. And I'm asking you now, going back into the match yesterday, where do you think the wheels came off? Because for me, I think the wheels came off because I thought it was not a very difficult encounter for Pirates to take home.
Yeah.
I thought it was a game they needed to win convincingly by a big margin, given the chances they created. But I also don't want to dilute your thoughts because I also want my 2 cents of opinion in, but I'll allow you to run with what you think went wrong with the Siwelele game or even went right, because we can't just say things went wrong. Not everything went horribly wrong. Some was good. They equalized, blah, blah. But Donna is Donna, Mutabi is Mutabi. So, Donna Siwelele.
Yeah. I-problem ayicalanga ngegame esiwelele ku-Pirates. Problem iqale when they sold uMbokasi. Without a solid spine, you always in trouble because azokubamba my team. Once they attack you, bazokubamba, and it's been happening to Pirates. They haven't won a match 0 after uMbokasi ahambile, if I recall correctly.
Interesting.
So it's an interesting fact ukuthi it means the defense was solidified by uMbokasi. Do they have a replacement as a big team that is chasing a league? That's another question. Because if you are chasing a league, you need to be ready.
In terms of depth.
You can have injuries, but you need to be ready. With man keep along, far along, and replace at the same time. So the problem is uMbokasi. And it's been happening. They come central. Umbogasi. It means the pairing at the back is not okay. Let's be honest about it. Let's not dilute it. Sit maybe zozama. Akusisikhathi sokuzama manje.
Kusele 9 games.
Yeah, manje akusisikhathi sokuzama manje kudlala into ezishoyo kuphela. Into esaziyo ukuthi clean sheet baba. Noma singabuya nge-1-0, i-clean sheet i-right. Isinikeza 3 points. But ke bona i-pairing yabo kaSiyema no Spisi, it's not working out. It's been exposed several times. Even against Richards Bay, they were exposed. I can count games where they were exposed. It's not working out. They've got to Sesane, they've got to Chabatane, they've got original centre backs. There's takes him and put him back where he plays, go right back. Let him go Shati right back. And let's play Spisi with somebody else who has leadership, because he might be captain. But akakwazi ukukhuluma, what I've realized.
100%.
You are all. He is a man marker. So good defense, you need a player really clever, really aware. Sometimes you don't need to defend. You just need to miss abantu kahle, and then this delay play, and then this team will play something else, and I understand, and then still touch immediately. Once again, they are attack. They see need to ihlale bebholweni, ihlale sebholweni. But a problem iqale lapha. Central pairing, there's a problem. Huge problem. Angazi bazoyisolva kanjani. Whether a coach trusts the other players to play, we don't know. But they need to sort that out in the next coming 9 games. Otherwise, the TS Galaxy is obabam. TS Galaxy is a very dangerous team. If you look at them the whole season, it's not easy to play against TS Galaxy. It's never been easy. EKP Sundowns Connect Bank Cup. And it was not a mistake.
Baba
Shahile, clean. Like, I'm not good. A mistake, this. They were beaten. After Lapa, they were outplayed defensively, Sundowns. They couldn't create anything. So imagine TS Galaxy, if they score first against Pirates, what happens? It means the season they change a foot again for Orlando Pirates.
So, now that you've mentioned ukuthi awucabanga ukuthi ijive iqale ngesiwelele ucabanga ukuthi iqale when uMbekezeli left for the United States. Mbekezeli was a development player.
Yeah.
Usuke epanini wangena straight emlilweni.
Yeah.
So does this mean, since the club has been relying a lot on development players, they should go and get a player in the development structure with 9 games to go, or but don't say somebody or standing or benching? Because with games coming thick and fast and narrowing down into the last photo finish where there's 9 games to go, do you think Sikon is experimental and doing development? Do you think it could be an ace from them if bathatha intwana encane bayilahlele in that position and he shines, because if he breaks, of course, we know it might be difficult to bring him back to the right standards of playing football, because he comes in at a time where the league is a must. It's a two-horse race, and Pirates needs a central defender, as you've rightly put it.
Yeah.
Ulibone needs to go back to right back.
Yes.
Who, according to you, has the capacity to fill that post left by Mbegezeli when he left, since we are still on Pirates and the chances of winning the league?
Sesane used to play in Osbisi. They were solid. More Rivero. They played well. Even though they never won the league, but they played well. Trophies were won. Games were won. So you need somebody of Sesane back in the team to marshal that defense. Like, if you look at them, there's no one marshalling. Bonke was strong in marking. But in defense, you need a loyamkondo ukuthi hayi bafethu last man kahle siyaluwina la siyalitshontsha la uyayithola le nto le. So ayikho le nto kuPirates bonke ba rely in ekumakeni. If abamakanga kahle, it means uChina needs to make a save. If ilkhathwe kahle like lele lesiwelele, what happens?
Hey.
It's a problem. It means the attack needs to work more. So they need to put back Usesane. That's their only centre back that they have. Uchavatane, yes, is a development player. Sometimes we might take a risk and he sevens. But at this point in time, akufuneka ama-risk, akufuneka umuntu owazi umsebenzi. Isikhathi somsebenzi manje. Ichayile manje mjomani, ichayile. Owabani 9 games. 9 games ayisekho.
So asakhulumi ngathi
yesibala. Isesibala 1 game at a time. I-race seyidlalwa kanjalo manje. 9 games ayisekho. Uthi kufana nomuntu othi una game in hand. I-Sundowns ihleli phezu kwelokho. Iyokusebenzela kuphi leyo game in hand? Sundowns is on song, baba. They've just picked up their game from nowhere. They've just came back and they're dominating everything. They're dominating a transition, they're dominating midfield, set play, everything. More pegile wena kula team who is capable to beat Sundowns. Yes, ingaba khona leyo nto ukuthi bazoyidla, but chances are slim. Uyayithola leyo nto le. And the Pirates nayo, who can beat Pirates? Chances are slim, but kunaleyo vulnerability ye-centre back ukuthi we might score a goal against this team and drive it to a draw.
I think I'm forced to jump in and answer that one. Uguti, who can beat Pirates?
Yeah.
The only team that can beat Pirates is Pirates.
Exactly.
Because they sometimes become their worst enemies. I'll jump in, like I promised you, Guti. I might have an opinion. Bengibukele yonke game yeswelele, and I thought Utito, for example, has been their bright spark.
Exactly.
In the past 3-4 games.
Exactly.
He's come in with important goals.
Yeah.
I thought he deserved a little more than 8 minutes that he got. You know, he could have given them slightly more. Did they need Usipho Mbule in a game like that? Maybe not. Maybe to solidify a trust and a confidence. Ema supporting ukuthi akuna problem between coach and player or club and player. It was good to see him out in the park playing football because that's what we want to see him do. But maybe the timing of his introduction was maybe not at the right time, especially taking out Ashwin Apolis, who for me showed a little more energy than even a relay gave you against Iswele. You know, he was more excited to be playing.
Yeah.
He tried slightly harder. He gave a good account of himself. I just didn't see a need of substituter, especially at the time of substituting, because he's become not only a key player, but a senior player. And it's only his first season at the club. You know, so I thought maybe they could have allowed him to finish that match. They pretty much had nothing to lose because already you are tied at 1-1. You need a goal. You need all your best players out in the park, especially when you are challenging for league honors. Yeah. So taking him out for me was a bit questionable. But look, I'm not the coach. I don't know the reasoning why Ukocha decided to keep. But then again, everyone will want to fight me. Uyahlanya lo ubhemeni urile umkhipha kanjani urile because yes, the kid has magic. You know, he can give you one moment of brilliance with 2 minutes to go. But did he give us that much? maybe not, because a lot of expectation has been thrown in his young shoulders at crucial moments. Yes, it builds him up as a player who's going to be important for the national team as well going into the World Cup. But has he taken it upon himself to also carry the hopes of the Buccaneers going into the next game, since Uti, one game at a time, let's not focus on 9 remaining. Let's focus on 9. So for me, Tito, I felt needed slightly more game time against Iswelele. I thought Umpo at left back needed to show a bit of character. Undaba rather. Needed to show a bit of character, because I think he fainted. He fainted after that goal because Ube involved Nyana in how it came about. And then after Lapo, there was a niggle here, a niggle there. He ended up subsequently going out for Ution Hoto, who I had also made a statement about Uti Mele release which didn't mean, like, I repeat again, he's a bad player. Maybe the timing for Dion Hoto is now. A lot of people will say, Lomuntu lawyers contradictor. No, he's a senior player who knows what it takes to win things with Pirates. He would be very, very integral in helping these youngsters understand, Ogoti, look, it's still the same game of football. Even if let's stop focusing on Sundowns and listening to the noise in the grandstand and carry on with the fight at hand, which is the opponents carrying out the instructions, the coach, Nama tactics. So, Iswelele, I feel the club needed to play players that are slightly experienced in moments like this at times that they are on where they want to win, and they want to win by all costs. Evidence, Mahopa, you are playing a counter-attack type of football. You are Orlando Pirates. When you run at high speed, the end product needs to be either a save, a corner, a miss, anything but an attempt. Not a situation where you get to the attacking third and you have to restart because you have a young Butuma who joins back to link up with the midfielders, because his way of playing says he needs to do that. But when you have an evidence, he stays there. He becomes very focal to your attack. So you have somebody to rely on. Maniang speed. Uguti, he's always there. He's big-bodied. He'll hold it up for us and we'll join in. He'll wait for us. We join in. We have Daniel Butumas or the players playing off him to come and finish. That's just how I saw it. That's just how I think they could have managed it. And the last one being, you don't want to concede Kala when you are in a position they're in. You want to go to halftime 0-0, worst case scenario. You want to go to halftime 1-1. You want to go to halftime 1-0, 2-0 leading, not ulidwa, because it creates a lot of confusion to everybody. The supporters become restless. The technical team now has to adjust amasubs ukuthi sizofaka bani. Besithi sifaka lo sekumele sichange sifake lo, because of situations that players needed to take care of responsibility. Bazi ukuthi chance, if you score is 0-0, we have a better chance of winning. I don't know. Maybe you see it differently, but that's just my take on the Swelele game.
You're right in many things, but if we sleep before we comment on this thing, ngifuna ukukhomenda ama-supporter we-Pirates. Phela ama-supporter we-Pirates akudlalwa baba. Ngizakorisa ibhola elisigijimisa iligi bekuzoba ne-problem eserious. Uyayithola. So it means the support is behind them, for starters. But the question is, lama player athengiwe akhona ku-Pirates, can they win the league now? Sometimes we have players, bayadlala, they are strong, they are a team, but can they run a marathon now? Naye question ekumele sizibuze yona important. Uyayithola. Yes, team yakhiwe, it's brilliant, it plays well, but can they win the marathon? Do they have the character? Lento bengisho, the mindset to push it till the last day. Because mase so, ayisafuni football on the field. If we have big hearts, if we need mindset, if we need character, sometimes we win ugly. Let's win ugly if we need to win ugly. It's all. We are in a chase now. It's not good maybe 20 games. No. It's 9 games to go. We play each game at a time. And each game we play it like the last game a league. Let's not wait for Swelele, Uti Kore, and then we wait for supporters to push us, and then we start playing. Izobanikeza problem manjalo. From isasuka mabaphume ethanelini labantu bePirates mele bazi ukuthi endoda mina ngifuna ukubhala kule history ukuthi ngawini league nawe. Uwazi ulala la, fuka. Uyayithola le nto le because the moment yokulala lela goal leli. And then yenza leyo moment iChiefs iSundowns nga 2 points. Uyafuna ukugijimisa iSundowns lead league nge 2 points on form.
They're scoring goals.
Awufuna ukuyenza le nto, it's a problem. Let's rally chase ibe close. Uyayithola le nto le. So game eswelele too many things happened lapha yana. Uyabona? Enye into engirealizile ngeOrlando Pirates like they've become predictable. Siyazi ukuthi attack if it doesn't come ngapolice or Mfukeng or whoever, then it means kuzoba dry. Orlando Pirates is a team that plays with a creative player. Where is that creative player? Asikhulumi ngomfukeng, sikhuluma ngemidfielder creative. Ayikho le midfielder creative. His talent is right for a start. Makaula is doing well for a start.
But they are the same player.
Where is Kabelo Dlamini? Ukusifaka kulawa ma-channel. Ukuphi Kabelo Dlamini?
And unfortunately FIFA ayikaka
It was
amend
outside also. Ukusifaka kuleza indawo ezincane, kuleza ipace ezincane. Uyayithola. So i-dimension ye-game ye-Pirates it's predictable.
So wena uthi
Ayina adventure.
mangikumamela uthi akuna player afulela urile umthwalo.
Exact.
Ukuthi mayikhala ngale iflate
Yes.
ibuye ikhale ngale.
Exact.
So mayikhala ngale kuphelile.
Kuphelile. Mayengakhalanga kuwapolisi kuphelile. Nalento yokudlalisa abantu opposite side. You decide ukubuyisela umremu ku left, what happens? He gives you what? Our coach abayekela ukwenza ifootball ebe difficult. The player is left-footed. He's good on the left. Play him on the left. He'll give you results. He gave you results. He scored that goal. He almost scored the second one, which is winning game. The time umdlalisa ngoku right back akunikeza in. Nothing. So let's not contradict the game because it's modernize and. Sometimes ezinye izinto zifuna simplicity. Let's be simple. If we playing direct like Pirates is playing direct attack, siyazi ukuthi attack izoza ngopolice, izoza ngomfukeng kanjalo kanjalo. Let's play players where they are strong. So that's okwazi ukuthola le delivery. Bese kuba element kamahope. It's another dimension of attack. Ukuthi ayikho ku Pirates. Yonke into must be played to fit. And then Umahopa comes in, he gives Uswelele a lot of problems with aerial balls. He gives them a lot of problems.
And just his overall energy.
Yeah, and then the attention shifts from Gopi, Apolis, Mfukeng. Now they get chances to take shots. Now they get chances to get into the box. So I understand what the coach has born as into or coach maybe and ufuna ukudlala ngendlela yakhe. But among coach, you need to understand your team. We are told. You cannot say mina ngizodlala so without understanding your team. You need to understand your team and the players that you have and what they can give you on the game day. We are told. They need Ukabelo Dlamini in the team.
Who Donna for me hasn't played football in a long time. Where is his fitness capacity right now? Is he able to play at least 60 minutes, 70 minutes? Is he motivated enough to be able to deliver for the club? Or he's looking also, Uguti, maybe he's on his way out because he's probably disgruntled. We don't know. You know, the clubs don't give us feedback on these things.
It's a tricky situation that there's a Pirates. Or our if they fail to win this league, after being on top for so long, people are going to lose jobs.
A lot of people.
That's the reality of the game. If you are not part of that team that contested the whole season, your job is in jeopardy.
Actually, now we might lose our jobs because before Skata, kuzomela ungitshela ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi ubani uzowina i-league. But you still have enough time to think about it, given the matches that are ahead, which we are going to discuss. Ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi amaphi azoba a problem for either side. But moving on to Sundowns, kungabi ngathi focus is on Pirates when we are saying it's a two-horse. Gune problem encane la. And you mentioned Mascala, wathi you are not sure who are the other squad members are ready to come and carry the baton in case kuba nejive. Abo goalkeeper of these two sides, mina for mina, mabangalimala. I don't think their second choice colleagues
He's ready.
I don't think they are. I don't think they've been given enough game time throughout the season, if they even played at all. Pirates has Sia Dladla and Melus Buchelis. And I don't know in which order do they stand, who is number 2 and who is number 3. But I don't think Barre Uguchi Banga step in and take over Sipo China in case shit happens. Sundowns have Dennis Onyango, who has been amazing for the club over the years. But I think Iminyaga Imbambide and the supporters are not showing a lot of confidence in him. So that just says, if one of the goalkeepers was to have problems, God forbid that happens, because both are in the national team for the World Cup squad. What do you think that this needs? What needs to happen for this not to continue? Not only for these two clubs, but for football in general. Uguchi, there's over-reliance on particular individuals to carry the club throughout the long season.
A problem with goalkeeping is a specialized area. It's very rare uchinchwa goalkeeper if you alandelele polweni, and it's not even at Pirates and Sundowns. It's all over the world, all the teams. Gune trusted goalkeeper, the reliable one. So with goalkeepers, it's a bit tricky. Let's hope by a trainer the way we are training a con and the 11 I say training in near a child age. But JJJ, I don't see them coming in and playing the very same game that was played, unless we are motivated to ourselves number 1. But with goalkeepers, it's a specialized area, a tricky, and to pay a goalkeeper change. But it's a tricky situation. If either goalkeeper would get injured, obviously, it's a faggy pressure. Kuma supporter, the players, and everyone else is over shaky because this keeper, asiko showing. With Sundowns, they are lucky because they are keepers. They've played football before. He experienced the con. With the two keepers, the Pirates, I don't think they have enough experience. Yoguti, Asitu Charinu Adimara, next week they can come in and replace him. But they can come in and play. To replace him is something else. But to replace it means you're taking over from what he has done. It's on.
Because the question is never their quality. People must not get it twisted. We are not questioning if they are capable. We are questioning if they are able to, in terms of their fitness level and their mindset and their big match temperament, the pedigree. Can I come in and keep the trust standing going? No ningawari shayani ngathi anibona uSipho China akekho ngikhona mina it's business as usual. We understand. So like usho ukuthi we can't dice with those sensitive positions given the precarious situation in league ekuyo. But Sundowns has a football player called Munapule Salim, who's just moved from Orbit. Let's respect clubs. Orbit on loan from Orlando Pirates to Mamelodi Sundowns on a permanent deal. He has gotten a goal. He has become integral. How do you see him helping Sundowns go through with the remaining fixtures going into the running?
The boy has just got a breath of fresh air. You can see the way he plays. He's free, man. He wants to play football. Leandro Pirate has been hanging over him. Obviously, it's not nice to come a team in. Because you've built a relationship, it's not nice. But he has got a breath of fresh air. You can see sometimes he is showing his quality. He's got quality. He's not intimidated to go to Sundowns. He just came in or fit in. Like he's been there for days, Sundowns. And I think the team as well, we need to give them their props because the platform is sharp. because kwamanye ama-team uyafika uthola ukuthi indoda ekhona le ngwenye engangiphasi ithi nangu lo sale ngohola kakhulu lo angimphasi lo uyayithola so ku-Sundowns I think amajita welcome sharp nale way adlala ngakhona it shows he's creating, he's attacking, he's helping in defense uyabona ukuthi umfana just got a breath of fresh air, he just wanted to play football regardless of the issues lezi bekazilwele esingazazi because the speculation ukuthi bekalwela imali nani asiyazi, we don't have the details because they never came from Orlando Pirates office ukuthi no we have this dispute no sale ngemali nani
no his management team for that matter.
Yeah, nobody said anything.
Abakhulumanga into ezibhaya but like usho it can only be good for the national team, it can only be good for football fans ukuthi intwana efana naleya is back playing football and ushiya abantu balele ngale speed
well.
You know, and he's playing well.
Yeah,
and
Lama games he has played well.
And since focus is on him, do you think he can force his way into the World Cup squad? Or it's...
Chances are slim. Chances are slim. Because going already, a coach has got his people there. Yeah, and Yolanda Utapero Masego. And he plays the same place now. So going, it's a bit tight. It's a bit tight. But
you have Nkota who's doing well.
But possibilities are there in football. And there's injuries also. But I see it, yeah, but we are parameters, if ever it could happen, available to take over.
And he has done the job for the coach in previous moments.
Yeah, he has done it. So he has parameters, but chances are slim ukuthi uzongena kude team the World Cup, they are slim. But ikhona. You phela mose podweni kumele uhlale usethembeni because anything might happen anytime. Uyayithola le nto le.
As we wait and see ngaleyo situation, next 5 games.
Yeah,
I want you to put your head on the block for both teams and tell me how do you see them overcoming their opponents and how many possible points do you think they'll get out of the next 5?
Okay. Obviously, Sundowns is going to CAF. So we carefully, they already scored 3. So we came management. They are going to stretch, next. And then they'll only play after 15 days after that. And they're playing Devon City. Devon City, that has improved so much. It has improved so much.
But you must also remember they just lost against Chiefs.
Yeah,
but
it was a tight
that
match.
Is not in good rhythm.
Yeah, it was a tight match.
But the result matters.
Yeah, it was one moment.
Especially playing against Sundowns.
It was one moment.
That decided the match.
Yeah, it was one brilliant moment from Lilepo, but the entire match, nothing was happening.
Donna, no more it was one brilliant moment. That one brilliant moment decided the outcome and the complexion of the game.
Yeah,
Chiefs won,
but once again,
and it dented confidence at Devon City. We're playing Sundowns.
You look at Devon City after this guy who Coach Peter that took over. It's been tight results. You don't win easily against Devon City. And after 15 days, Ipumago Cafe, Sundowns, they're traveling away to Devon City at Devon. It's not going to be an easy game.
But it also means Devon City also has to break for that long. Because remember, you played in the coast.
Yeah.
At some point of your career for a long time.
Yeah.
And I heard somehow, I don't know how true it is, I'm a friendly, I'm easy for you. I'm a friendly game.
It's not easy. You play about APC Mtsipe teams.
You beat them 12.
Teams, you are born. Yeah, sometimes you don't play in that game.
So it becomes a factor.
Yeah, it's a factor, but with Devon City, after listening to the coach, he's got a mission. He's got something to prove. Besides proving something, he wants to show people who you've been ignoring me in Kashaba. And Devon City, mind you, they're fighting for top 8. They want to be in the top 8. The Karoida family, they've been there in football for a very long time.
They've
invested too much, man. Yeah, they've invested too much in football. So they regard themselves as a big team in Durban City. They are not a small team. It's not going to be an easy outing for the Sundowns. It's going to be a tough match all the way. The outcome might end up with 1-0. Or a draw, 0-0.
I don't sometimes it's a therapy Durban City.
I don't think so.
Sometimes it's a futile.
I don't think
Durban
so.
City. Now, for my
They've shown capability, Durban City, which they can defend well.
I don't know.
Defended well.
Same spot. Immediately after the game,
Yeah.
Scala ngayo asibulisana uthi amaguna ukuthi kunjani how's it Tona ngithini
If4 is too
Mchomana
much.
ngithini
If4 is too
bazobathela
much.
4
Wena phela ngama-betting stats uthi wena plus 3.5 over 3.5.
Kahle.
Mina ngithi it's under 3.5.
awuthi kahle
It
over
might be
3.5
2-1, it might be 1-1. It might change the season as well. It might bring Pirates back into the race,
because I think Sundowns are pretty aware ukuthi this might boil down to goal difference.
Yeah.
League deciding factor
Yeah.
might boil down to goal difference.
Yeah.
So Bakorabo 3, while we are still having problems overcoming Iswelele with moments created, counterattacks, chances not
I don't
finished.
think they'll score 3 against Durban City. They won't. I'm putting my head on the block. Angeke bayikore 3. I can pay too much. I have watched the Durban City. Hey, those guys can defend.
Ebazoyishaba.
Mawathi khona team defender kule league bakhuluma ngeDurban City.
Okay,
They
ngoba sesisho.
defend.
Sesisho.
Yeah.
Next match Sundowns le.
Yeah.
But Pirates idlala neTS Galaxy,
Another tough outing.
who have always been a nemesis and a headache to the Skull and Crossbones.
Yeah.
Put your head on the block. No favors. Unkai result. What do you think is the outcome? Will be the outcome of that?
Pirates will prevail.
Okay.
But not with a huge margin.
Okay. For once, we agree on something,
Yeah.
and not
Pirates
because
will prevail.
bazongithuka foot.
Not with a huge
Because
margin.
ngifeel
It
ngathi-
might be a 1-0 match.
No, it's a must. They need
It
a
might
result.
be a 1-0 match. It might be a 2-1 match, but not more than that.
But
it's gonna be
as long as it's a 3-pointer that they take.
Another thing ekumele sibheke ku-TS Galaxy angithi nabo bakule netbank le. Maybe the players are excited ukuthi hey siyodlala i-netbank. They might lose focus and get a heavy score. Ikhona naleyo possibility
And
on
maybe
the
because
cards.
by Funa more than NetBank,
Yeah.
they might decide to play skeleton
Yeah,
against
they might do that.
the Pirates, and it's welcome skeleton
Yeah.
even.
And it's the
Bafaka
same
amaplayer
thing
angadlali
at
at only 5.
City. Now ikhona ku-netbank. But I don't think they'll play skeleton at Durban City. Like coach has said, and ufuna ukuba khona ku-top 8, he wants to be in the final of the... Already he's
Look, I
putting
don't think
goals there.
they've got depth. Even if they
don't
don't
have.
want to play skeleton, they're forced to play, let's say, the fringe players that usually don't play. Because you have all your players taking part in the NetBank, your NetBank ambitions. You also want to remain in the top 8 so you can play the MTN 8. The clubs need the money, especially about TS Galaxy and about Durban City. So you also want to give these players a bangadlali chance. If you don't give them in these matches, if ambitions are win in NetBank, nizobanika kuphi?
Yeah.
Bafakeni ngePirates so that nithole kahle 4 yenu.
Another
And then it makes the league challenge interesting.
Another dynamic that is in play matching Durban City, the hunger. Phela singayikhohlwa lento ebholweni khona abantu abalambile ndoda. Thola ukuthi umuntu usabamba 10. Bambambe ngebhande lapha aba 10,000 awubamba umoya ntwana khana ufike ebholweni.
Hey, when umkhuphulele 10-7.
Nayi chance la yokuthi ngiziveze la ebholweni kule match le. Singayikhohlwa naleyo element is in play when it comes to the game there.
Which, coming to that point, do you not think it's disruptive to ambitions as far as Agapito Dladla, when he's got all his tactics in place? Uguti, this is how I see my team playing. This is the plan I have to play against Sundowns, to play against Pirates, or any other big club for that matter. But you have 4 players that want to come to Gauteng and play for these 3 big clubs, Chiefs, Sundowns, Pirates. They've got their own ideas. Emakhanda abo ukuthi mina opportunity for mina to shine. Bese bakoporosha into zaka coach.
Yeah.
Ucoach ayithole le 3 engikhuluma ngayo.
it depends nakhona ngithi Jomo ukuthi ufuna ukuza kanjani eJoburg. Ngeke uze eJoburg nje. It's not easy coming to Pirates or Sundowns or Chiefs. You need to put up big performances each and every match. So when ufuna ukuya kanjani, ufuna ukuya ngokuthi uzodlisa iDurban City ucanga ukuthi Sundowns izokulanda, will they trust you to play for them? They won't. You need to put up a big performance in order for when ukuthi travel but endoda siyakufuna uzodlala la. Uyayithola lento le. So the hunger important. The factor hunger with these teams, so-called small teams, the factor hunger, they might upset you. Plus epandeni mase kunje attention yonke umuntu ubheka ukuthi hey ubani uzozihambela vele iqhamuka iDurban City bamba abantu not. And then it's teen after that. Inhlanhla ayikho inhlanhla ebholweni yonke into iyasetshenzela. You create the luck by working hard on the field of play.
It's tough times. It's tough times. Before we release our champ, the key players, the main role players. I know ngaphetha nangemali uzofaka urile for the Pirates.
Yeah.
But which other players do you think need to raise their hand and be counted? Which ones do you think it's time manje ukuthi sibabone ukuthi madoda dala sikhuluma ukuthi nenza amasimba nenswembu anveleni sinibone for both sides, Pirates, Sundowns?
Uyabona kunzima manje ukeep ama key players but I mean like I said when I started Siema and Spies, if they play them against centre back this weekend, they need to stand up those guys because the championship I win I attack. Remember, I win my defense. If it's not a clean sheet, I attack the whole match. It means it's now one goal. It's now one goal. So Siema and Spies need to stand up this weekend. China, I'm a bit worried. It was bit routine, standard situation. He could have done something. Maybe he was caught off guard. Let's give him a benefit of a doubt. Maybe he was caught off guard.
But you feel with his quality,
those three players
needs to stand up and be counted.
For Pirates to go and chase this thing, Guamamped. If they are three, they still shaky, then it's gonna be a season where we say they tried, but failed.
Sipochaene, Lebone Siema,
yes,
Nkosinathi Spies.
Yeah,
Donna has called you out, Matot.
Yes. Those three players.
If Nyasabela Gugini, but I'll also be watching you closely to see what he's talking about. I'm sure a lot of other people will also be watching closely to check if Utonu Kulumikiniso about you raising your hands and saying, we want to grab the bull by the horn and making sure that it comes home finally. Because if it doesn't happen, let's consider this, gents. So nale couple sithi lizobhalwa Sundowns around ukuze kungabi nespace sokubhala amanye
amaplamba. League yamaplamba ithi me1 iwin league 9 years in a row.
Ayikwazi asiminyele ukuthi luze iclub inama ambitions ayo but akube nabantu abayiphikisayo kayiwani ukuthi lo ngakwenzeki this season. But I'm not letting you off the hook. Sundowns, the ones that need to stand up and be counted. 3.
Obviously Mkwena has already raised his hand with me. Now I'm carrying this thing to the last day. I'm carrying this thing to the last day. Right all. Nuno Santos, once again, he has shown what he can deliver. He can give them goals. He can create. Ronald Williams, important saves. As we think in the next coming games. Because if our Oklahoma save, it means yes, they are unexpected. TS Galaxy in the same mix, and those two teams have been giving them problems. Yeah, and then I'm with my team, but they say so Nuno Santos, once again, the goalkeeper. They've been carrying the team, obviously. The new striker, I'm still not sure, but he'll prove me wrong. Magu is cut. He'll prove me wrong. Unayo lento yokukora but angikho sure.
And before I close it off, I'm not going to close it off. There's an elephant in the room, but before the elephant in the room, that seemingly we can't ignore them. Sometimes we are funu kulumu abafagi, but back to nebangenile into it. But before focus agubo, Dala now, let's call it Dala. 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 Score. Pirates, TS Galaxy. From you.
1-0. Pirates.
3-0 Pirates. I say Pirates will beat TS Galaxy. I surely Gerald Mudabi say Pirates will beat TS Galaxy by 3-0. Donna Tabo Sylvester Mabaso. It's Sylvester. Says
1-0.
Pirates will come through by 1-0.
Yeah.
We'll wait and see. Hope the football players don't disappoint. And Sundowns next match, Durban City result.
Hey, it's a tricky one to call, girl. Hey, I'm worried.
I say 4-0 Sundowns win.
I know it can't be 4-0. It's another 1-0 now.
Another 1-0.
Yeah.
Donna says another 1-0.
It's another 1-0.
And yeah, manje sengakhuluma ngabo before I close it. The elephant in the room.
Yeah.
Both clubs still have encounters against a very dizzy Kaizer Chiefs. So, do you think Chiefs iphethe ikhia ngapha nangapha zokuthi iligi yava?
I don't think so. I don't think they'll pose a challenge.
So ubona induku. No, ngisho ukuthi look, Chiefs can dent either club's chances.
Yeah, it's true. Bangayenza le nto le.
So that's why ngithi baphethe
But
ikhia
I don't see them doing it.
bangathola induku ngapha nangapha.
Yeah, Chiefs has got too many issues. Just look at they're not put there. But I don't think environment at Kaizer Chiefs for players and the coaches, it's okay.
So you don't
Like
even see them.
my performances were caught.
So you don't even count them as a possible challenge denter for either.
No, kuzodlalwa nje. It's a normal game, but with no ayina ukuthi izodisturb anything.
Sorry Chiefs. Abengithi ngiyanifaka entweni.
I don't think they will come with that. Yokuthi bazodisturb. They already gave up the fight, bona. So which fight are they chasing? Top 8. It is a 2-horse race match. No one is even close to getting.
And unfortunately, because they give points away to clubs you don't expect them to give away points to.
If ikunzima ukuthi Durban City made one special moment from one player, then playing against 11 players that are brilliant, it's gonna be a tough ask. I don't say about we kick Kaizer Chiefs. Let's get this right. I'm saying there's problems at Kaizer Chiefs.
That influence.
Yeah, the performance on the field of play.
100%.
Yeah, they've got the team, they've got the players. They're good enough, they can contest, but there's problems there. It's ngawas. It's a deep into management and the players and the coaching and what. Hence, some performance were corner so. Number 2, as understand ukuthi kudlala bani ngosikhathi bani ku Kaizer Chiefs uyayithola le nto le ayikabi khona le team stable esithi okay this team makufakwe yona it will give this team a run uyayithola
so kusathi mama enye preseason elong blind
Chiefs, let's leave them ngale line yokuthi you are in the building process. Let's not involve them kakhulu entweni ukuthi hey uzoba nikeza
hey and Maradala le upapi angeke abe happy ngamara hey Pablo dala le building process yaqala ngo-Atazwane.
Liverpool built the team for 34 years before we win the league. It happens in football. It happens.
Dona kunabantu abadala aba-favorite Chiefs. Wena ukhuluma ngabo 34 years bashona abanye ngasikudala.
Kumanje, let's talk about both of them. I think they are 2 big teams, the Kaizer Chiefs and the Pirates. How many years they haven't won the cup? You might win Nedbank, MTN, aye. The most important trophy la. Ile
league.
Elibele boss wa Sundowns. Chiefs and Pirates nalawa amanye team, not forgetting other teams because surprise ikhona ebholweni ngavuka next year iMagesi ishaya abantu ihlale phezulu kwelokho sithi mistake.
Serious.
Yenzakele ngeLeicester pheshe.
Nasi sikhukhuni naso sihleli for a while. Before angazi kwenzakalani as usual.
The other teams many challenge yam now. Yes, it was a competent league this year. Good tight, relegation is tight, top 8 is tight, at the top is tight. But the challenge is Sundowns going to win the league for the next coming 15 years with no challenge whatsoever?
Well, I guess the next 9 games will tell us. Maraucham, asivale lapho with that question, Yoguchi, will Sundowns win the league for the next 15 years, which is call to action for you as our lovely subscriber. Maybe in the comment section, ungasitshayela ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi i-league izowinwa ubani, i-Sundowns or izowinwa i-Pirates, izowinwa i-Pirates or izowinwa i-Sundowns, depending on which club you support. But I would like to see it go, obviously, Orlando, but I'm not directly in charge of what happens. The two clubs are, the football players are, and you can be part of that by making sure in the comment section you make sure you tell us who win the league. And don't also forget to tell Impinchi Yako to come in, subscribe, share, like, and make sure you always be on time to find out the latest and what's going on with the run-in to league glory between the two sides. And for vandaag, my name is Gerald Sholi Mutabi, Nibe Grant. Sharp.